Don't be alarmed.
Holy crap.
Oh my God.
What? Wow, that's so cool. Oh my goodness, you just set back on fire. Sorry.
Oh, it's glowing. Yeah, go report up now.
Okay.
Should we roll like a field mic?
I like the idea of just having. Yeah, well, I mean, it would have been a better sound quality, but I like the idea of just having the audio from the camera, so that way you get in like wind and everything, then reactions and stuff too. Isn't it amazing how it's so bright? It actually makes it seem as if it's nighttime again.
Yeah.
Because when I was watching it, it's just everything else is just dark.
To be fair, the field isn't harmed at all because it's on sand.
And this is just carbon.
So what is that thing in the middle again?
It's like molten silicon.
It's gonna look so weird just staring at it. Hey, what's up?
So bright.